Hey guys, I found this AI plugin for Unreal Engine which creates cool dance moves just with audio files. It's a new plugin just opened to closed beta testers in last December. This is the result I got.
I got that butterfly effect, I'll be your favorite. Oh, once you put me on, you never taking me off. Oh, that butterfly effect. Once you put me on, you never taking me off.
Now, I will walk through how I created it. This is Unreal Dance Editor plugin. Choose the default skeleton. Under the Sound tab you will find the AI-generated music. Drag and drop it under Source Audio. Click Music Analysis. You could also use your own custom audio files. Just drop them under this file directory and you should find it in Sounds tab. Once the analysis is done, choose the music style, dance style, and the gender choice. I recommend using these settings for now. Click Generate Sequence and wait for the animation files to generate. You could see 17 different animation sequence files are generated. If you are not happy with a file, you can replace it with clips in the Anim tab. Shift-select any clip in the Anim tab and select the clip you want to replace and press Ctrl-C. You can do this for multiple clips. Next step is to smooth bake the animation sequence. Now the animation blends together to give the dance flow sequence. You can also create auto camera shots using Generate Auto Camera. Make sure to save the clip so that you don't lose your precious work. Click Save Current and give it a short name. It's time to export. Select the skeletal mesh in the sequencer. Right-click. Select Bake Animation Sequence. Select the file location to save the animation file. Click Export. Navigate to the saved animation sequence file. Select it and right-click. Choose Retarget Animations. Select your target MetaHuman skeletal mesh and export the retargeted animation. Open the level sequencer. Add the MetaHuman blueprint. Mute the body control rig and the face control rig. Under the skeletal mesh, choose the exported animation from the previous step. That's it. You have the AI-generated dance motion on a MetaHuman. No issues, no wasting time. I'm not releasing the final cut yet as the original movie is also postponed. But here is the another dance version created for the audio file which is generated by Suno AI.
I got that butterfly effect, I'll